Hello everyone, welcome back to this logical reasoning sessions. So what is today's question? So today we are talking about a simple question where the time range is given. For example, between 3 to 4 or between 7 to 8. So that is known as time range. The angle is given. The angle would be 30 degree, 180 degree or 5 minutes apart, 10 minutes apart. So that would be an angle. You have to find the exact time that is between that time range when the hour and minute hand would be making that specific angle. Let's see into the question. So, at what time between 5:30 and 6 will the hands of a clock be at right angle? So, we all know what is right angle? It means 90 degree. Correct. So, this is the clock where we can say that is 5 o'clock in the clock. Now, right angle means 90 degree as I already told you. So, there would be two times when the hour and minute hand would be making an angle of 90 degree. So, you can see this red mark, that was be the first time. So, we can see that is the first time, that is this angle is 90 degree, and this would be the second time, that is another 90 degree. So, whenever such questions come, mostly there would be two times. That is when the hour and minute hand would be making that specific angle. But here the time duration is only 30 minutes. But when we talk between 2 and 3 and between 7 and 8, it would be the entire 1 hour. So in that 1 hour, we can say that angle would be twice. But in the bracket of 30 minutes, it would be only once. So you can see it the first time, that is before 5:30. So we cannot consider that. So we have to consider only the second time. Now the main question comes, you have to calculate that. So for such kind of questions, always make sure you remember about the divisions. So you can see in this entire clock about the divisions. So between an hour, there are 5 divisions. So when we talk a division for 5 o'clock, so you can say this is 5 division, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So there are 25 divisions here. So whatever we have understanding about the divisions, please keep that thing in the mind. Those are the small subdivisions, and the entire clock has the 60 divisions. So related to that, how can we see? So to find the time, we need to work on the divisions. The hour hand is at 5. So that means the divisions would be 5 times into 5, because each hour is having 5 divisions. So that brings to it total 25 divisions. And when we talk about an angle of 90 degrees, so 90 degree means it would be taking 5, 10 and 15 divisions. So 25 divisions plus 15 divisions will give us the answer. How can we do that? So you can see time equals to distance upon speed. So distance is nothing but the divisions. So the divisions at the hour and minute hand would be taking up, that is 25 divisions plus 15 divisions. 25 came from the hour, that is 5, and 15 came from the angle, that is 90 degree. And we know the relative speed, that is 11 by 12. So simple, 480 divided by 11. So remember in the last trick itself, we have understood whenever there are the divisions, we have to follow the traditional method. And when we divide it, the quotient that we achieve, that is a minutes, and the remainder that we will get, that would be the seconds. So this is a simple division. 11 by 480, 11 times 4 is 44. Minus 44 will give us 40, and the answer would be minus 33 again and 7. So 43 is the minutes, that is the quotient, and 7 by 11 would be the remainder, that is second. So we can say at 5 o'clock 43 minutes 7 by 11 seconds, the hour and minute hand would be at right angle, that is 90 degree. Okay, similarly, let's see one more question based on that. At what time between 5 and 6, the hour and minute hand would be 3 minutes apart. So now here it's not giving you an angle, but it's telling you 3 minutes apart. So we know in the clock what is 3 minutes? 1, 2, 3. That means 3 subdivisions, correct? So given time is 5 to 6, that is again 5 into 5, that is 25 divisions, and angle would be 3 divisions. So there are 2 times. One would be 25 plus 3. Other would be 25 minus 3. So here we have to calculate both. So time 1 would be 25 plus 3, 11 by 12. So 25 plus 3 is 28, bringing the denominator up. That would be 28 into 12 divided by 11, 336 by 11. Again, you have to follow the traditional division method and get on what would be the minutes and seconds. So your answer would be 5, the quotient and the remainder. Similarly, the other time, that is time 2, would be 25 minus 3. So 25 minus 3, that will bring to you 22 into 12 by 11. That is, it will give you 264 divided by 11. Okay, So that would be again a traditional division method and you will get the answer. I'm not showing you the division again because I know now you are the pro with that divisions. You know the question is the minutes and the remainder is the seconds. So one more question on that. At what time between 3 and 4 o'clock the minute hand and the hour hand are on the same straight line but facing opposite? So same straight line facing opposite means like this. One is facing this side, other is facing this side. So when we talk about this, so you can see the angle here would be a clear simple angle of 180 degree. So we got that the time between 3 to 4, that would be 3 into 5, that is 15 divisions, and the angle would be 180 degree, that is 30 divisions. So the time 1 would be 30 plus 15, that is 45 divisions, and the time 2 would be 30 minus 15, that is 15 divisions. Again follow the traditional division method and you will get the answer. Okay, so this next question is for you. You can practice it. At what time between 5 and 6 o'clock will the minute and the hour hand be 10 minutes apart? So here again there is no clear angle, but 10 minutes apart means 10 divisions only. So hope you can get the answer. It's very simple. Time 1 and time 2, get the answer. Okay, so again I'm telling you, here they would be either giving you a direct angle, that is right angle, that means 90 degree, or they will tell you that is opposite each other, that means 180 degree, or it would be telling you 3 minutes apart, 5 minutes apart, 7 minutes apart, or 10 minutes apart. So that is also directly giving you the divisions. So hope you will get the answer here. This is a simple different type of question but related to the same thing. How many degrees will the minute hand move at the same time in which the second hand move? That is 4800. Now here it is giving you the second hand has moved for 4800. You can calculate steps. Like we have a stopwatch, we calculate how many steps we are walking. So for example, the second hand has moved for 4800 steps. So at the same time, what will be the minute hand speed? So we all know that 60 seconds will bring you 1 minute. That means we can say 60 steps taken by the second hand would be 1 step taken by the minute hand. Correct? So 60 seconds is 1 minute. Or we can say 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So the total second hand has moved, that is 4800 divided by 60. So the angle that would be, it is 80 degree. Correct? So the minute hand has moved for 80 degree till the second hand was taking 4800 steps. Okay, isn't it easy? Similarly, you will be getting one practice question. Do try it. Let me know how was it. So a quick revision for today's session is to calculate and work on divisions. When you have to given time range is given and your angle or the minutes is given, you have to find by using two things, that is time 1 and time 2. At once the divisions would be added and the other time, that is second time, the divisions would be subtracted, taking on the base same relative speed, that is 11 by 12. Hope you understood today's session. Hope it was interesting. Thank you so much. See you next time with some new questions, new tricks.